Very proud news. Yes, there is very proud news from the Indian women cricket team. Yes, they maintain their form. They beat England in first one-day international. They beat England by 4 wickets, and they show that their form are continue. England batted first, and they can attain only 258 runs. 258 runs. From the strong batting line of India, their target are easily chaseable, and India easily chase their target due to the strong batting performance of Smriti Mandhana, Deepti Sharma. Deepti Sharma made the 50 runs, and Jemima Rodriguez. India easily achieved that target. So our women prove themselves. They are also have the enough guts, enough fighting power, and they can beat England by 4 wickets in first one day international. Share this incredible news to the maximum so they know that our women cricket team is also very strong in the world. Share, and if you like information, subscribe. Share. Thanks.